Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to show you my everbearing mulberry that will not stop fruiting. If you notice, it's getting pretty tall here and bushy, but I've been meaning to prune it back, which will actually make it produce even more fruit, but it just won't stop fruiting. I mean, it's been going on for like 4.5, 5 months, something like that, and it just won't stop fruiting everywhere you look. And you know, initially they were a little smaller. Now, if you can see there, they're getting pretty big actually. Look at this one right here. You know, when they turn black, deep red, black, they're ready to be eaten. Look at the size of these things. I mean, they're like 1 inch long. Some of them even more than that. And it just won't stop fruiting. Look at this. And then I'm thinking this is it, I'm gonna be able to cut it down. But then if you look up here, you see right there all the new flowers, and the fruit right there is getting. So these will be ready. You know, they come out pretty good. I mean, once you see it, you know, it'll take a few weeks probably, and then you'll have fruit on that too. But you notice down here, look at this. I mean, these are really big, and more fruit and flowers, and it just won't stop. Look at this right here. Every day I come out here, I get a handful, and I eat it, and then, see, already, I took some this morning already, and if you look here, you got more ready to go. You got more there. So, point being, this is a great tree to have in your house. Not only that, you can take cuttings and get a bunch more trees just off that one tree. So I think, you know, this is a great tree to have, and this one's really good. This one that I have here, man, it just, like I said, you got food for a really long part of the year. So I don't know, I'll let you know when I can cut it. I'm not gonna cut it with all this fruit on it, that's for sure. So at some point I'll have to, I guess, because I have to trim it down, and you know, basically, and when you trim it, it'll come back and produce even more fruit. But I'm just enjoying too much all these mulberries, and especially these that are getting really big. So for now, I'll keep eating them. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you subscribe. God bless.